Okay, this fits now like it should. You look at the Shimano freehub end cap, does not fit. That was the whole issue, right? So yeah, fits now. However, nothing retains this. The freehub spins like it should and ratchets, but this cap just comes off. If I take the wheel off the bike, this is gonna I guess just be loose like this, but maybe the cassette holds it on there. It must, because they wouldn't have that coming loose. But anyway, I was just gonna ask, maybe DT Swiss can confirm that they don't make any retaining clip or anything to hold that on there, or if that's just supposed to sit there loose and be retained by the cassette. I might answer my own question after I go to fit the cassette. But yeah, the top cap totally fits. Should have had that piece with the kit. I don't know why DT Swiss didn't package it that way. But anyway, thank you. Got the fitting top cap here, or end cap, and I'll see if it all works like it should when I go to put the cassette on.